I try to keep the negotiation climate with Michael as friendly as possible, but I found some of Michael's questions difficult.
Handling questions is indeed an important skill to master. Learn some standard answers that you can use in difficult situations.
Like when a supplier says that this is their final offer, say, "I'm sure we can work something out." That diffuses the situation, neither committing you to accepting it nor signaling that you don't accept it. It allows the supplier room to back off from this later.
What if the supplier gives me a concession that I don't value much?
Just thank them, saying something like, "It's not quite what I need, but I appreciate the gesture." Rejecting it could turn the negotiation into a competition, something that will make future concessions more difficult.
What if the supplier asks for my budget?
If the supplier asks for your budget, don't tell him a number. They'll say something like, "I just want to see if we are in the ballpark." But it's best if you let them mention a number first, because if you say a number, even if the cost is much lower, they'll still start the negotiation at the higher number you gave.
That's right. Ask them to provide a ballpark estimate based on their understanding, and then you can tell them if they are close.
Great. What else?
Focus on delivering your critical issues and let the smaller things go.
Like how you got Michael to agree on installation out of office hours, but closed negotiations without getting the covers for free. Installation out of office hours was a critical issue, but the covers weren't.
Daniel learns that he should not reveal the budget and that he must focus on critical issues and let go of the minor ones.